Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be taking another look at TILRAY. The last time I made a video update on TILRAY was around the 20th of November. That's when my last video was, and we was talking about the possibility of a pump to around $5 and $6, and you can see here we got to around $5.14, and then we was expecting a bit of a dump using these candle bodies here, using this basic trend line, and as you can see we've come back down, even a little bit of manipulation below, and then got back above. So if I just replay a clip from my last video, you can get a better idea of what I was saying, and then we can move into some further analysis. If you want to sell 50 or 60% on the way up, if we get the move up, that's great, because then you've taken profit, you've got your initial investment out, you've got a bit of profit ready to invest at the lows again. And there you have it, guys. And from the low at that candle there, we was looking at around a nice 42% move for TILRAY there. And obviously you won't have caught the bottom and you won't have caught the top, but a really nice percentage move to be able to capitalize on there, for us to then use the profits and reinvest at the lows once again, where I think we are now looking for a nice local bottom, if not the bottom for TILRAY. I have got a count that says we go a bit lower and break the lows of the overall higher trend, but realistically now a nice time to be involved where we've taken profits at the highs. $5 was a really key level, psychological level, coming back down to now manipulate but below this trend line, and now looking to get back above. So this week might be an important week. Let's see if we get this close back above this trend line. Might be important, but even still I think patience is going to be the key here, because really, if we are classing this as a bit of a back test, we're going to probably end up getting a bit of a pump and then a dump back down to around $2 anyway, in my opinion, which would then set up the move back to resistance again. So I think this is what we could be looking for on TILRAY, on the lower time frames and on the higher time frames. So just keeping an eye out for this one. Just wanted to update on what we previously discussed. And yeah, if you want me to just zoom out here a little bit, what I'm expecting really for TILRAY is something like this. Obviously you've got the low down here at around $2.40. What I would like to see is manipulate this trend line as we've already done, come down maybe in February or something like that, get the break of the low, hit the trend line again, and then look to move up fast, where we leave people in panic down here and then bullish up here. And again, that would be a nice, let's have a look at that, a nice 100% move on TILRAY. And obviously after a 100% move, no matter what, I think a good profit taking zone back at the $5 resistance, because once again this could just be a big range that we are in for TILRAY. And I think having capitalized on this move to the upside, being able to benefit from the move to the downside to reinvest, we're in a great situation here. So if anyone's been doing that and followed along, congratulations, because this was a really nice one. Everyone again was obviously getting really bullish up here, and we was sort of taking profits, and now everyone down here at this trend line getting scared again and not willing to invest. And it's always the case, it's human psychology, it's market psychology, but that's why 95% of people lose in the market and only a few can actually win. So if we are benefiting from the market, if you are benefiting from these moves, smash the video a like. If you aren't subscribed already, subscribe. Give me a comment on the video. Let me know what you thought of this analysis. It was just a quick update really, not too much in depth, but yeah, I just wanted to cover it because the last time we made a video was back in November. Things are looking good now for TILRAY, and I think the daily candle at the minute is about a 10% candle, something like that. So obviously people will start getting interested again after a big daily candle like that. So just watch out, guys, because these markets are very manipulated. And yeah, realistically now for TILRAY, if you can have a look at this little range that we've got here, the weekly candle closures looking really nice, liquidity taken at the lows, so we don't have to get the retest, we don't have to go down even further, but a nice simple retrace using the swing high to the swing low back to the 382 would be $5 again, psychological level as we've seen earlier. But yeah, I think that's really all there is to cover from me today, guys. So of course it's not financial advice, and once again I will see you next time. Thank you.